this tutorial, we will talk about how to use the breaking point function. Summer is the farming peak season. We got some feedback from our users that they don't know how to continue the unfinished operation. The breaking point function can help you solve this issue. We have two ways for the breaking point operation: expanding the root starting points list after the breaking point is recorded. Choose the breaking point. Click Confirm. The drone will fly to the breaking point automatically and continue the operation. If it is the last breaking point, click on Continue the operation. The drone will fly to the breaking point and continue the operation. If we end the operation manually, we can choose that unfinished operation and continue the operation. Expand the root starting points list. Choose the breaking point. Click Confirm. The drone will fly to the breaking point automatically and continue that operation. For example, the breaking point is triggered by insufficient agrochemical. Here are the steps. In the Agriculture Assistant app, when the agrochemical is insufficient, the drone will hover automatically. Pilot the drone to the starting point manually. Fill the tank. Click on Continue the operation. The drone will fly to the breaking point and start the operation automatically. When the Agricultural Assistant app prompts that the battery of the drone is low, or the battery of the remote control is low, we can also perform the above steps for breaking points operation. When the Agricultural Assistant app prompts, we only need to pull the roll stick to interrupt the operation. The drone will hover in place and record the breaking point automatically. Pilot the drone back manually and then replace the battery. Click Continue the operation to the breaking point. The drone will fly to the breaking point automatically and continue the operation. Here are some tips for the usage of breaking point function. Make sure there is no obstacle between the starting point and the breaking point. Make sure there is no obstacle above the drone before takeoff. If we find any obstacles before takeoff, we can manually operate the drone to bypass the obstacle, and then perform breaking point operations. That's the end of this tutorial. Follow us for more drone tips. Thank you.